Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Lenovo Yoga 7i keyboard not working. If you want to fix the issue, then you have few options for that. These are the possible fixes related to your problem. First, restart your device. Quick restart. Shut down the laptop completely, then turn it back on. Hard restart. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to ensure a complete shutdown. Second, check keyboard functionality in BIOS. Restart your laptop and press F2 or the respective key repeatedly to enter the BIOS menu. Test the keyboard within the BIOS environment. If it is work in BIOS, the issue is likely software related. If it is does not, it is likely hardware issue. Then update or roll back drivers. Update keyboard drivers. Press Win plus X and select Device Manager. Expand keyboard and right click your keyboard device. Select Update drivers. Then search automatically for updated driver software. Then roll back keyboard drivers. If the issue started after an update, roll back the previous version. For that, in Device Manager, right click the keyboard and select Property. Then go to Driver, then go to Rollback Driver. So these are the possible fixes related to your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.